Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a cute Easter bonnet. This video is a little bit different because I don't know what I'm going to be doing exactly. So I've got all of my Easter stash with me and we're going to go with the flow. So you can find this Easter bonnet in Poundland, and I should have grabbed one but I didn't, and I had to order one a little bit more expensive online. So you can find these for £1 in Poundland. So I'm making my Easter bonnet for a girl, but you can just change the colours and a few bits and bobs to suit something for a boy. So I'm starting off with this because it's cute, it's pink, and lots of girls like this. I'm just placing it under the existing ribbon so that it can go over it, tucking it in and sliding it round. And then I'm going to just cut it to size and place a little bit of hot glue and stick it down. Next, I'm going to try and cover as much of the hat as possible in green moss that I've bought from Wilko, but they also sell this in Poundland. So this is the hat with all of the moss around. I'm going to go in with these stickers from Poundland and decorate the top part of the hat on the side. And they are sticky enough, so it should be able to stick on and be strong enough not to fall off. But if you want to, you can apply some hot glue just to make it a little bit stronger. That's stuck on quite well, as you can see. Taking the sheep from Poundland, you get 6 for a pack. I also got a box of 12 grey bunnies from Poundland. Taking some carrots from Poundland as well. Going in with the nest from Hobbycraft. This is the only item I've used from Hobbycraft. It's a really beautiful nest. I think it was about £2.50. So I'm not going to hot glue it down because I want to use it for another project as well. But you can apply a little bit of hot glue and just stick that down. I'm going to put a family of little cute chicks in there, and these are from Poundland. These eggs are also from Poundland. You get 50 with lots of colours in. So this is a finished Easter bonnet. I'm actually really liking it. So it's full of cute, colourful things that kids are just going to love. But I've also tried to put my own spin on it and included things that I like that are more natural, like the artificial plants and the moss and the nest. And I think it's just balanced it out and it just looks so great. I'm really liking this, and it's not my typical sort of crafts, but I have to say I did enjoy making it and I do like the finished thing. So you have the option of having the nest on or off. Of course, like I mentioned before, obviously you do need to stick that down, but I'm just not doing that because I want to use this for a future project. But let me know if you prefer it without the nest on top, or if you think the nest should be on top. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and check out my other Easter DIYs above, and I also have a spring playlist, so you can check that out there. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I've got loads of crafty DIYs and I'm trying to film daily or every 3 days, so there's a lot of content coming. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do hit that notification. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do hit that